Alright guys, this is a quick video on the Renault Clio 2003. Just want to show you basically the problem this car had. The lights on the dashboard wouldn't come on when you turn the lights on, it would just stay dark, and the fuel was on max all the time, and the temperature wasn't moving as well. It just stayed on half all the time. Disconnected the battery, checked all the fuses, done all the lights and everything, relays, nothing would work. So the solution was quite simple, to be honest. All I had to do is obviously take the dash out, unplug both of the plugs you got on the back and clean them with contact cleaner. Obviously you have to disconnect the battery while you're doing it. But then I've cleaned it, connect everything back in, turn the ignition on, and stupid enough, it all works now. So all I had to do is just unplug the plugs on the back, clean it with a contact cleaner, and now everything's working. The speedo, the RPM, the fuel, the temperature, it's all back to work. And it wasn't, as I said, it wasn't relay, it wasn't fuses, it wasn't anything else. It's all working now, guys. It's a simple solution, and it's not the first time that actually happened, not the first Clio. So I hope this is going to be helpful to you. If you want, I can make a video on how to remove the dash without actually taking the whole thing off. It does come off through here. I managed to get it out. Makes your life a lot easier, and I can show you how to disconnect the plugs. If you want the video on how to remove the dash, just let me know and I'll make one, because there are a few on the internet but they're not clear enough. But as I said, on the way I've done it, you don't really need to remove the whole lot to get the dash out. That's as far as I got, and it comes out. Alright guys, if you want any help, just comment, like, subscribe and ask me questions, share my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll sort you out. Thank you.